Today's verdict is not a cause for celebration, but relief that finally justice has been done after nearly 18 years. No one can imagine the devastating toll on the family who were forced to campaign for justice. In 2000, I stood on the steps of this court accusing our justice system of acting like a gentleman's colonial club, of being arrogant, unaccountable and institutionally racist. But the Chhokar family want to thank today's prosecutors, Crown Office and Police Scotland for their unwavering commitment to justice. Surjit was a loving son, father and brother who was lucky to have two stubborn parents who refused to be silenced as they fought for justice as a right and not a privilege. Surjit's late father Darshan always said that until his very last breath that he would have a hope for justice. Whilst the dead cannot cry out for justice, it is the duty of the living to do so for them. The Chhokar family have done just that and have also placed victims' rights at the heart of a modern criminal justice system which will be their legacy for generations to come. As a young lawyer, when I launched the Justice Campaign in 1999, many of us stood shoulder to shoulder with a family whose hearts were broken and often had no tears left to shed. So today is the end of a very long journey, and the Chhokar family want to thank the past Lord Advocate Frank Mulholland, Solicitor General Leslie Thompson for agreeing to reopen the case and having the courage to do so, to thank Chief Superintendent Clark Cousins and his team, as well as Advocate Deputy Alex Prentice and his prosecution team. The family also want to thank the jury for their careful consideration of the evidence and ultimately their verdict. To conclude, the Chhokar family wish to thank the trade union movement, the politicians, the activists and the thousands of people, including the people of Wishaw, who have expressed solidarity over the last 17 years. There is real sorrow that Mr. Surjit Singh Chhokar is not here to see justice, but I hope that both he and Surjit are now finally at peace.